पढ़ देती हूँ as is. Immediately cease the practice of enforced disappearances, ratify and implement the International Convention for the Protection of All Persons from Enforced Disappearances, and account for the status of the domestic bill passed against enforced disappearances in 2022. हमें नहीं पता कि उस बिल का क्या हुआ, वो किधर है, आप बताइए हमें, आप रियासत हैं कि वो बिल कहाँ है. Disband the Commission of Inquiry on Enforced Disappearances, which has failed to hold accountable those responsible for such practices despite having the prosecutorial powers to do so, and a fresh mandate to prosecute any state elements found responsible for perpetrating enforced disappearances. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि enforced disappearances का जो कमीशन है वो बहुत बुरी तरह फेल हुआ है, और हम समझते हैं कि एक फ्रेश मैंडेट के साथ एक फ्रेश कमीशन आना चाहिए जो फाल भी हो और वो इफेक्टिव भी हो. Ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability in all electoral process. Investigate allegations of electoral manipulation and coercion thoroughly and transparently. Promote civic engagement and depoliticize administrative structures to restore public faith in democratic governance. Withdraw the Anti-Terrorism Balochistan Amendment Act 2025 and review all security-related legislation to ensure alignment with international human rights standards. Guarantee due process and judicial oversight in all instances of detention and dismantle any form of indefinite गैर कानूनी है, जैसे कि ये कानून जो है ये इन कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है आपके अपने जो आपने लॉज बनाए हैं और इंटरनेशनल कॉन्वेंट्स जो आप जिसके ऊपर आपने दस्तखत किया है. Given that the internment centers proposed under this act appear to replicate those established in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the Supreme Court is urged to decide the pending appeals against the Peshawar High Court's judgment on the Action in Aid of Civil Power Ordinance 2019 and to direct that all internment centers be formally notified as sub-jails. Ensure that all individuals suspected of involvement in militant violence are held accountable through transparent judicial processes, strictly in accordance with national laws and international. The state must replace extrajudicial and opaque measures with credible, impartial investigation and fair trials, thereby reinforcing the rule of law and